Steps to getting insurance to pay for your new roof. Determine the damage. After an extreme weather condition, it is necessary to check if there is visible damage to your roof. This will help figure out what repairs needs to be done. If the mark is unable to see, you can still file a claim and let professional contractors examine and confirm your suspicions. Once the assessment is discovered, you will document them. Review insurance policy. Check your insurance policy and coverage. Make sure you understand what is covered and what is not, and be prepared to talk to your insurance agent. The longer you wait, the more reason your insurance provider to deny your claim. Contact roofing specialist. Contact a professional contractor to assess the damage for free. Most contractor offers free consultation and estimates, which can help you file a claim as smoothly as possible. Submit a claim. Once everything is settled and damage is assessed and documented, your insurance provider will give you the good-to-go word to pay for your roof repair. This is when the time to choose the contractor and get the job done.